And who are you? The champion said, to question all my trades. Of the game, Phil simply does not know, and I robbed him in spades. And Matt shows strength, but will forget to smackboard on his game. And he shall lose of this, I bet. It always ends the same. And so he spoke, and so he spoke, the champion of the league. But now a new season comes forth in 2015. Yes, now a new season comes forth in 2015. So come, you men, and JJ too, the draft shall begin soon. With point and click, your team could prove to win or spell your doom. With hopeful eyes, we'll sit and try and choose names bit by bit. But in disguise, our fate could lie in Casey's first round pick. And so we joke, and so we joke of how much Daniel sucks. But this could be the year for him when he finally rocks. But this could be the year for him when he finally rocks. But probably not. And Josh will surely make us gay with YouTube clips he's found. And John will never make a trade, but still do well somehow. And Ethan could show strong attacks if he would check his line. And Cameron, with your running backs, don't be stupid this time. And Cody sucks, and Cody sucks. His team's a fucking joke. His defeat is assured as much as Dylan is to joke. His defeat is assured as much as Dylan is to joke. And so we say, and so we say, let the new season begin. A new champion shall